Hey everyone, welcome. My name is Jen O'Sullivan and I'm the main educator for the Human Body and Essential Oils group on Facebook. I put the link in the upper part here. We're going to be doing a speed oiling today, and basically it's like speed dating. So if you've never heard of speed dating, it's basically where you're going to learn a ton of information about these beautiful gems in just a few minutes. Okay, so I hope that you can track along with me, and again, there's so much to learn, and if you want to learn more, we have units over in the Human Body and Essential Oils group, and there's a whole essential oil unit, so this video will be in that unit as well. But it's super fun to do this with you guys because I can really give you a lot amount of information in a fast amount of time. So let's dive in. All right, we're gonna just start with lavender because most people know lavender. They've heard of lavender. It's like the most well-known oil on the planet. However, 90% of all the lavender on the planet is synthetic. And that's why most people have a hard time with lavender, where they get headaches from it. But when you get the true botanical lavender, and that's what this is, that's where you're going to really thrive and understand that true botanical lavender is so much different and so much better, not only for you, but for your senses. So lavender is something I use in my hair every day. I use on my face every day. I use on my skin when I need it. It's a great supporting oil for just hair, skin, nails, all that stuff. This also comes in the Vitality Line collection. Vitality Line are white label oils, and this is also available to consume in the white label. So really, really good white label oil instructions would be great for respiratory health, great for immune support, but again, that's the Vitality Line. Young Living's the only company on the planet that has a fully dedicated consumable only line where we've actually split the labels, and the reason for that is because we're rule followers. We want to make sure that we are on the up and up with the FDA, and we want to make sure that we actually go by the guidelines. So it's really a cool thing to know. Okay, frankincense is another oil that everybody loves and knows, but there is so much synthetic frankincense on the market, it will drive you crazy, because you'll think, oh look, Walmart, I can get like a $5 frank. You know, there's no such thing as $5 frank. Okay, it's not actually real. So this is resin from a tree, and it is one of those oils that is phenomenal for your face, also for your hair. I like to rub it on my throat just to help me have this calming sensation. And so for sure, face. Okay, I'm 45 years old. Putting these two in a serum has literally drastically reduced, or at least I would say smoothed my face better, and it is wild to understand how these work. And there's so many uses. I mean, these are not like pharmaceuticals. I could go over hundreds of uses per oil. So get the EOBar app, because that's going to help you understand a lot about these and their therapeutic actions. Okay, frankincense is a big one, and that's one that everybody should have in their kit. Okay, it's also very calming, and so is lavender. So a lot of people consider lavender like the sleep oil. It's not really a sleep oil. It is a calming oil, but what it does is it mixes with your endocrine system and helps you calm down so you can focus. So we've got 3 more oils here that help in that area. We've got Valor, Peace and Calming. Let's see if I can get these labels right. Valor, Peace and Calming, and Stress Away. And these oils are amazing for several different reasons. You can use Stress Away in the morning to help your mind be able to multitask better. Helps you focus on the tasks at hand. You can also use Stress Away at night in your diffuser, on your feet, on your wrists. You can spray it into the air or on your pillow, and that's helpful to help your mind, again, calm down and focus so you can fall asleep. So this is an amazing one. It smells so good. My son calls this his vanilla, his vanilla ice cream. Peace and Calming, on the other hand, is really helpful for when you just feel like you need to calm down, like you're just going crazy and you can't calm down. This is helpful, but also very helpful at night to sleep. So sometimes we'll put these in our belly button. We'll literally put a drop of one of these in our belly button, or on our big toes, or on the bottom of our feet, or on the back of our necks. There's all sorts of ways to use these topical, but you can also put these in the diffuser. And this is one of Young Living's most beloved blends. Okay, same with Stress Away, where we talked about lavender and frankincense. These two are singles, whereas Stress Away is a blend. Peace and Calming is a blend. And then we've got our mighty Valor. And Valor is another blend that is such a beautiful blend. So many companies try to copy this, never really to copy it exactly, because this straight up is one of the most important oils in my family's life. And so while it's calming, what this does is it helps ground you. It helps your body be grounded. So sometimes you feel like you're just flying off, and you can't focus, you can't, just everything seems like you're kind of freaking out from the I don't have the courage perspective. So Valor, right, courage, helps resonate. Some people will call this a chiropractor in a bottle because it resonates at the same frequency as your bones. And what that does is it actually helps you calm down and be grounded. It's amazing. So that one for sure, you can drip on the top of your head, you can roll over your forehead. We have a roll-on for that one. Same with Stress Wave, we have a roll-on for that one. You can rub it on your temples, your wrists, the back of your neck, the bottom of your feet, put it in their diffuser, everywhere. Did you know Valor's a great for your face too? So literally you could put frankincense, lavender in a dropper bottle, like say 10 drops of each, and like 1 or 2 drops of Valor. That blue tansy is known for its like blemish supporting properties, okay? So this is a great one for that as well. You don't need too much either. 2 other blends that we have that are really quite phenomenal are Raven and Panaway. These are oils that are more invigorating. You can rub you can rub Raven on your chest and it feels like, oh, okay, it just has this nice feeling on your chest, whereas you can take Panaway and rub it anywhere on your body, okay, because it really helps anywhere on your body. And when you rub this on, you'll know what it does. It cools you down, it feels good, it helps basically relieve any general, like if you've overworked a little bit, if you've worked out a little bit much. I like to call it my texting thumb support, because sometimes you're texting too fast and your thumb starts to just feel a little funky, so you put some Panaway on there and voila. So you know what these oils do when you smell them. So for straight up, these are necessary, okay? We were rubbing on this on my kid's chest today, and it's just helpful for him. Just like, thanks, Mom. Okay, so we've got these other oils, and these are white label oils. So you guys have seen these here in the United States called the Vitality line, and they are incredible for consuming. That's what they are for. They're meant for consumption. Now, some people say, you know what, you shouldn't consume essential oils, but I would kind of laugh at that a little bit. I'm going to be nice, but anytime you eat a salad, you're eating essential oils, okay? Anytime you squeeze lemon and drop that lemon into your water with the rind, you're consuming essential oils. This is just a highly concentrated version of that, okay? It's not the nutritional content. It is the actual essential oil from the rind of the lemon. Citrus Fresh is another citrus blend, but it has a little spearmint in it. And so these are wonderful if you just put 1 drop in your water, use a stainless steel or a glass bottle, and you will feel a refreshing, beautiful taste. It will taste amazing, but when you drink it, what's going to happen is it's going to help flush your body better. And if you've watched any of my videos, if you can, watch them on how oils work in your body. And what they're doing is they are literally going to work helping to alkalinize you. They're taking out all the oxidative stress as much as they possibly can. And so when you start to put 1 drop, that's all you need in your water or in a capsule, or just put it in your tea in the morning. Literally, you'll start to feel your cells open up. They will feel better. You will feel cleaner. It's a wild thing that happens. So these are amazing for that. Peppermint helps with your circulatory support, literally helps get things moving. It's very volatile. It moves. So if you take a drop of peppermint in your water, let's say you added peppermint and 2 drops of lemon, okay, you can do that. 1 drop of peppermint, 1 or 2 drops of lemon in your water bottle. Not only will it taste amazing, but you guys, this is going to help your circulatory system. It's going to also help your digestive system. It's going to help you feel like you're not, like if you get any bouts of like feeling like you're not balanced, this helps. Okay, this is one of those oils that helps with a lot of things, okay? In the Vitality line, and these also come in these are in the Vitality line, but they also come in the regular line. They're the exact same oil inside. This is super cooling, okay? So in Panaway, when I said it was cooling, there's peppermint in here, and it's super cooling. So my husband likes putting this on every day. He literally rolls it on his shoulders. He'll rub it in his scalp. If you've ever watched Dr. Ollie's video on hair support, this helps your follicles in your hair topically. Really amazing stuff. And again, I could go over hundreds of things that this supports. So for sure, you need peppermint. Digize is digestive support, okay? Enough said. I mean, literally, some people can't leave home without this, okay? You can literally just put a drop under your tongue. You can take this with some capsules, you know, put a couple drops in a capsule with some carrier oil, knock it back before a meal. You can even do it after a meal if you're like, oh, that wasn't sitting well. This is a very helpful oil to support your digestive system. And then the number one most copied oil on the planet is Thieves. Thieves straight up is copied the world over without success. And I'm going to say that because, and this is the biggest, if you only take home one thing, the reason Young Living oils are different than every other oil on the planet is not only is there frequency added into these little bad boys, but this oil here, this specific oil, everybody loves it, but they can't copy it. And the reason for it is because most every single oil company uses what's called fractionated or rectified essential oils. So I'd love for you to do a search. I'll actually put the link in this video for you guys so that you can have that. But understanding fractional distillation, most companies do that because it smells better. So they're using fractionated singles to create their Thieves type blend, and it's just not good, okay? This one, every person that I've ever had try this against their Thieves type blend has been floored. So for sure, Thieves immune support, it not only has great immune support properties, but this one, honestly, like smells like Christmas, okay? So it's super fun. I hope you have enjoyed this. There's so many ways that you can use oils. This is the premium starter kit, and these are the oils that you're going to want to start with. So if you want more information, go to sparkdroppers.com/Jen O'Sullivan. If you know somebody who has introduced you to me, please make sure you contact them. They will help you understand how to get this amazing set of oils. You're gonna get a diffuser. You're gonna get some samples of some other stuff. I can't wait to continue to teach you and continue with you on your journey. Thanks so much for having me. I hope this was a fun speed oiling class, and we will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.